This Case real estate property video is presented by Hoover Case. At home in the Ozarks. Perfect for a weekend getaway or hunting lodge. Gently rolling 73+ / west / 1920+ / feet to manufactured 4-bed, +1 non-conforming / 2-bath home. Both bathrooms have been completely remodeled. Home is about 200 feet from County Road, making access private. Oversized 2-car attached garage also features a 14 by 18 room for storage, shop, or additional bedroom. 30 by 50 metal covered pole barn with large entrance suitable for most all RV units. There are 4 auto waterers, currently non-working, scattered throughout the farm, making it easy to set up rotational grazing for your livestock. In addition, there is another former homestead on the property. There is a well and lagoon on the old homestead, but seller knows nothing about it and makes no warranty on it. Parcel 047-035-0000 extension 00802 is also included. There is a concrete block former dairy barn and large pole barn. Fencing on property is average. Seller does allow neighbor to run cattle on farm. Crossed fencing is good. Bountiful deer and turkey. 15 minutes to Mark Twain National Forest, making this property an ideal prospect for a hunting lodge or retreat. Bird dog training. Seller is well known throughout USA as a breeder of Champion AKC Brittney Bird dogs. This farm is managed for bird dog training. The Field Trial Sportsman Association grounds is only 5+ miles from the farm. The Field Trial Sportsman Association grounds is about 2,600+ air conditioner. Many breeds have their national field trials there. Grovespring is only 5 miles away. Lebanon is 25 miles, Hartville is 18 miles and Springfield is 58 miles away. Reserved items, Pigeon coop, dog pens and Quail House in the bottom field. For more information, review the details below or contact Hoover Case at 417-859-3204.